Alright, this is Jeep Renegade 2016. Alright, today's task we will be replacing the engine mounts on this vehicle. Transmission mounts, engine mounts on the passenger sides, and also the one underneath engine mounts. Okay. On the positive side, then we're gonna have to remove this nut right here, and also this one right here. Okay. All right. All right. To get to the transmission mount, we have to remove the battery and also remove the battery casing right there. Okay, and then underneath there is the transmission mount. Okay. Right. Once you remove the liner, plastic liner, there are sounds like two bolts and one nut to remove right there. Okay. All right. So we'll have to remove the car computer from the battery casing attachment. Okay, and there were three nuts, one here and then two on the bottom. I think I got all the fastener out and I'm ready to pull this thing out just like that. Okay, now it is out. Okay. Okay, now we have access on the transmission mount right here. Okay. Alright, got the three bolts right there. There's one, there's two, there's three. Okay, now we've got two more bolts to remove on this side right here. Okay. One, and that was two. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna have to transfer this torque bolt into the other on the new one. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. Okay, now the engine transmission mount is installed. Thank you for watching my video.